Yan tayo eh. So, eto na naman tayo eh. Alright. So, which one is better? So, si bank or si pag-ibig? So, hi guys. By the way, I'm Mark Tan, your advocate agent. So, sa video na to, pag-usapan natin saan ba mas maganda mag-housing loan? Kay pag-ibig ba or kay bank? Right? So, tapusin mo tong video na to and then sa huli, I'll provide my personal opinion, promise. So, you need to be at least member ng pag-ibig and then you need to have at least 24 months na contribution. However, kay bank naman, no membership and then you don't need to be a depositor doon sa bangko para makapag-apply ng loan. Okay? In terms of maximum loan amount naman, so kay pag-ibig, you only have 6 million for the loan. And then for the bank naman, no limit. So kasi naman, na kaya mong bayaran yung loan mo or pasok yung required income mo. Right? So in interest rate, so kay pag-ibig, 6% up to 10% yung interest rate. And then different fixing period. And then kung kay bank naman, hindi sila masyadong nagkakaiba naman. So 6% as well and then up to 12%. And they also have a fixing period. Alright? So in terms of processing period kay pag-ibig, it will take 3 to 12 months kapag ikaw mismo yung personally or individually mag-aasikaso ng loan. However, kapag kay developer ginamit mo sa pag-ibig, medyo mabilis siya. Alright?
Nice!
Kay bank naman, so wala naman silang pinagkaiba. So, 1 to 3 months naman kay pag-ibig regardless kung developer man yan or individual. So, medyo mas mabilis kay bank in terms of processing period. Okay? So, in terms naman in processing fee, so kay pag-ibig, very minimum of 3,000 and then maximum of 5,000 yung loan. But through bank, so 3% to 4% ang ng loan amount mo yung kailangan bayaran mo. Alright? So, yun. Saan ba mas maganda? So, for me personally, it depends. So, kung paano mo gagamitin yung mga ganitong option, no? So, kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na wala ka namang balak magnegosyo o in the future talaga magiging empleyado ka lang, so I would recommend you go to pag-ibig para at least mapakinabangan mo naman yung contribution mo doon, no? So, pagka-member mo. However, kung ikaw yung nagpaplano na by the time na ready ka na magnegosyo or magsarili, so I would recommend na mas magandang to establish a credit history kay bank. So make sure lang na maiwasan mo na hindi ka makabayad doon sa loan. Para at least in the future, kapag you need some personal loan or whatsoever, so pwede mong gamitin si bangko para to have a capital. Alright? So yeah. So if you like this kind of video or content, please like and share na din. And then comment yung sarili nyong opinion para at least ano ba yung mas maganda? Bank ba talaga or pag-ibig? At least makuha natin yung puso ng tao. And then sana i-share din para mas marami tayong matulungan. Okay? Bye-bye.